Previously on the vlog. I just cut it into strips. What's up, guys? Today is a beautiful day. And yes, I am in my car. Welcome to the inside of Blessy. I call my car Blessy because when I first got it, I felt like it was such a blessing, and that is why it's called Blessy. So say hi to Blessy. Today, guess where we're gonna go and what we're gonna do? We are gonna go pick up our silver YouTube play button, and I'm so excited! Yeah! So yeah, without further ado, let's go get it. Yay! And surprise! Here's my sister.
I'm so happy. Congrats!
What can you tell our friends on YouTube?
You're now a professional YouTuber. Hello, friends. Thank you for subscribing to the Cristin Makes channel.
I look forward to the new supply reveal. You're all gonna enjoy it.
I can't wait to bring this home and we can open it together. We are here at Walmart and also Dollarama, which is right there. So I want to show you guys where I get my art supplies. So let's go in to Walmart. This is the aisle where I get my items from. It's the art aisle, I guess, art supplies aisle. And I usually get my glue pen here. It's $1.97, but they don't have any in stock, so I don't know. They do have a double-sided tape, which is $6.47, but it's quite expensive, so I wouldn't suggest. Glue pens, however, are cheaper. This is where I get it. This area. Yes, and they have a bunch of craft items and supplies, which is perfect. They also have stickers over here. Yes, so that's where I get my stuff from. One day I want to buy myself wash paint, but not now. It's $16, $17. I do want to get one of those one day. I also have another aisle here that I go to, but it doesn't have as many stuff as the one that we just went to. And it's this aisle right here. And this aisle too. They have a bunch of stationery here, like pens, markers, and things. And I usually get my stuff from here. We get to open the box. But of course, before we open the box, I am going to announce the winner of your name suggestions. And whoever wins gets to be the name that we call our YouTube family. So this day is really, really special. Not only do we get to open up our silver play button, our YouTube family name will also be born. So if you guys remember in our previous vlog, someone asked me if I'm going to name my subscribers, and I honestly had no idea on what to name you guys. Therefore, I asked your help to suggest the names, and you guys came up with a bunch of names, and they're all really cool because the names I suggested were just a little bit off, if you know what I'm saying. And with all the names that you guys have given me, we were able to come up with a top 5 list. Shout out to Dimple for suggesting Cristinis or Cristinis. Shout out to Bella or Isabella for suggesting the name Makers. Shout out to Alexandra for suggesting the name Christians. Shout out to Kaiko for suggesting the name Christies. And shout out to Zerish for suggesting the name Crystals. Thank you so much for everyone else who suggested names. I really appreciate you guys helping. And with the result in, the people have spoken. Drum roll, please. The winner is Crystal. As of today, you are now called Crystals. A huge shout out to Zerish for suggesting the name Crystals. Everyone loved the name, and it was such an obvious win because that is a big gap. So you know how it's about to go down. We gotta try. What's up, Crystals? What's up, Crystals? Welcome back to the channel. What's up, Crystals? Today on this vlog, we are about to do some scrapbooksing. But you know my favorite? What's up, double-sided tape? What's up, glue? What's up, washi tape? Kidding aside, thank you guys so much for participating in the votation. So whenever you meet new crystals out there, give some love, give some hug. Let's just make this world a beautiful place. We are gonna have to do another votation if you guys remember. In my previous vlog, I did say that once we get this, that I'm going to cut my hair and donate it to charity. With that said, you get to choose the length of my haircut, like how short it's gonna be. Whenever you donate hair, it has to be about 10 to 12 inches long, and I measured my hair with a ruler, and the longest that I can go is up to my shoulder, like this, like this. I'll give you guys two options in the poll that I'm gonna put up under our community tab. The longest that I could go is shoulder length here, and the shortest I could go is probably chin level. You guys get to decide. I just do what you say. But you know, we can't proceed with the unboxing without some rapping. So as a celebration, we gotta rap for this name. You ready? DJ, drop the beat. Boom, ch, boom, boom, ch, boom, ch, boom, boom, ch. Crystals is the name of this family. We got love all over the community. Look at the pages of my scrapbook. So artistic, like a lipstick. Scissors to snip, see you later. ASMR sounds like a zipper. We glue it, we scrap it, we stick it on the page. Scrapbook, you know what, we're cage. You gotta sing it, sing it with me. Scrapbook, we use different kinds of papers. Washi tape, double-sided tape, regular tape, You're my scrapbook queen, I'm your scrapbook queen, You're my scrapbook queen, I'm your scrapbook queen, Stick it all together, I'm your scrapbook queen. I didn't realize how tiring it was to rap. Now we have a song. Watch out for my single. Stream it in Spotify, download it in your iTunes. Now, on to the exciting part.
I'm glad you brung it up because I've been dying to talk about it.
Dun, 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 dun. Yes, we can finally open the box after all the stuff we did. Okay, we just got the box. We just got the box. We just got the box. I wonder who it's from. YouTube. Shout out to you, Blue's Clues. I received my award within 2 weeks after I entered the code. So they give you a code to enter, and that's how they ship you your award. I entered it on May 8th and I got the parcel on May 24th. So if you live in Canada, let's say your YouTube channel is growing and you want to know how long it takes to get to you, it's exactly 2 weeks, 14 days. Alright, so we're gonna use my cloud cutter. Can you guys see? Isn't it cute? I got this from AliExpress. Look at that. It's sharp, so you gotta be careful when using it. Over here. Now it's ready. Here we go. There. Ta-da! It's just a black foam. Let's take it out. And then the next thing is this card. It says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone.
We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional.
This award was inspected and packaged with care by Rick. Thank you so much, Rick. Finger heart. And then next we have this paper right here. The paper is also a quality material. It's textured and it's pretty thick. Look. It's not just any random paper. There's texture on it. So let's read it together.
Some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And it's why today, we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone, just one of the many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki. CEO of YouTube. I don't know how to say that, guys. Do you know how to say that name?
Wojcicki. I'm so sorry, Miss Susan. I really don't know how to say your last name, but thank you so much for this amazing letter. The moment we have been waiting for. Ta-da! There's a plastic on it, so let's take it off. Ooh, there's also something here inside. Let's do some ASMR. Look at the shine. That's how shiny it is. And you can see yourselves on the camera. See how shiny that is? Whoa. It says, presented to Cristin Makes for passing 100,000 subscribers. Wow, guys. I feel so blessed, guys. Thank you so much. If it wasn't for you, I won't be able to reach this, so I love you all. Thank you and thank God for this. I can't believe I'll actually be able to hold this in my hands. I never thought in my life that this would happen, and it's now here in front of me. It's so nice, and look at the back too. There are 2 holes and you can hang it on the wall. The black part is like suede material. And also, I'm really curious how big this is. I've always wanted to measure it. 12 inches by a little less than 10, I guess. Is that right? Oh yeah, it's 10 inches. Okay, 12 inches by 10 inches. And that's how big it is. Or small it is? No, that's how big it is. This is so amazing. And you never know, maybe one day we get to hold a gold play button. This is just the beginning of a new journey with all the crystals. See how it shines just like you? It's like a crystal. I also want to thank my family who have always been there to support me, especially my mom. She's really the reason behind how I got started, and this one's for you, family. I hope that I made you proud. Of course, thank you to all the crystals who give me so much love and support. You guys are always there to brighten my day. You encourage me, inspire me, and challenge me for the better. I also want to thank my friends and my D group who never fails to pray for me. In my ups and downs, they have been there, and I'm just so lucky and blessed to be at this point of my life. So, thank you guys so much. There. Do you guys see it? There. I wanted you guys to see it as we continue the vlog. Before we finish off this video, I wanted to answer a few more questions to finish off our icebreaker / questions, getting to know each other celebration for the 100,000 subscribers. So without further ado, let's get to the questions. Hi, I am Salva. I am a Muslim. I started journaling because of you.
My question that I forgot to ask was, what do you do in your spare time? Love, from Pakistan.
I usually spend my spare time depending on my mood and how I feel. So for example, I'm feeling really energetic and hyper. I want to be able to spend it outside or hang out with my family or friends. And on my downtime, when I have a spare time, I like watching YouTube videos, either educational, creative, or just for entertainment. I also like to make my own art projects, sketches, drawings, scrapbooks, journals, what have you. And if I'm really tired, I just want to sleep and stay at home. So that's what I do in my spare time. Hi, Cristin. Hi. My name is Jaishna. I wanted to ask some questions. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I do.
If you have a sibling, what is the name? Please answer to this question in one of your videos because I want all of them to know, and please and God bless you.
Of course. God bless you too. So I have 2 siblings, both girls, and they're both older than me. I'm the youngest in the family. The eldest one is named Lorena, and the next one is named April. Hi, Cristin. Congratulations. Thank you.
I hope you will get more and more subscribers. I hope you will give a shout out on your part 4.
Shout out to you, Zerish. Of course, you're gonna get a shout out because you gave us the name Crystal. So thank you so much for your contribution. By the way, I have a question. What's your age? I think you're 20. Thank you. I am 31 years old, so I'm not 20. 11 years ago, I was 20 years old. I really take that as a compliment. Thank you so much. My name is Himakshi. Hey, Himakshi.
I like the journal and scrapbook, and I see all videos of you. You're very cute.
Oh, thank you.
I am from India. My question is, what is your age?
I am 31.
Right now, where are you?
I'm in my room. Just kidding. I currently live in Canada.
What is your currency?
My currency is the current situation of the presenthood of the yesterday's tomorrow.
Oh my God! Wow!
My currency in Canada is Canadian dollars. Did I get it right? Was that the question? I don't know.
Have you known about India?
Yes.
You are my favorite YouTuber in journal and scrapbooking. I love from India.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Hi, Jasmine. Hi, Jasmine. I like clouds. Are you Christian? Yes, I'm Christian. So I'll be showing more about this in my setup vlog where I give you a tour around my setup, my workstation, and my desk. So I'm gonna tell you guys more about this prayer journal on that video. Stay tuned, it's coming soon. Last question for the day. I love your channel, it's very nice. Good, thank you for making this channel.
Some questions for you. Do you have any brother or sister?
I have 2 sisters.
What is your favorite fruit?
I have a whole list of fruits, but you didn't tell me your name. I'm guessing your name's Hadi, so hi Hadi. Alright, let's go on with the list of fruits because I have a lot of favorites. So the first one is called Atis. I'm not really sure what it's called in English, but I'm gonna flash a picture so that you guys can see how it looks. It's a sweet fruit with a bunch of seeds inside, and then you kind of nibble on it to get the white stuff off of the seed. And the next one is Chico, and it's color brown. Both of those fruits are grown in the Philippines. I'm not sure which other countries grows these fruits, but since it grew in the Philippines, I'm guessing it's a tropical fruit. And of course, we cannot forget sweet mangoes, bananas, watermelons, and sometimes blueberries.
Which is your favorite country?
Of course, my favorite country is the Philippines because I'm Filipino. But not only that, Philippines is such a beautiful island. There's so many places to go to for vacation, tourism. The culture is really rich, as well as the food. The food is bussin', let me tell you. So if you are planning a trip to go on a vacation, try the Philippines, and if you're gonna go, let me know. Hook your girl up. Let's go together. My bag's already packed. Hey, let's go. I'm just kidding. Those are my sister's luggages. It's not mine. And yes, this is it for today's video. I hope that you guys were, I don't know what you picked from this video. Did you learn anything? I appreciate you guys so much, and I always look forward to chatting with you guys live in my video premieres. So if you are new to this channel and you're a new Crystal, please join us in the premieres, in the live chats. Get to know me. I want to get to know you too. Be present in the community tab. I always post on there. Give some comments, your feedbacks, vote in the polls, and just get involved. Once again, if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe to the channel, give it a like or comment. If you want more of these vlogs, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to make a vlog for you. I think that's it. God bless, and as always, I'll see you on the next one. So for example, I'm fearing your hyper, who suggested the top 5 chef. Give a quick shout out to the FIFO. Up next on the vlog. So these scissors are what we're gonna use to cut my hair, and then this one's called thinning shears to thin out the ends of my hair. This one, on the other hand, is just